Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Winnebago Travato 59G. If you find this video informative or any other cool things about it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let's take a look at this thing. This one's really, really cool. This one's on a Dodge Ram chassis. It's really, really nice, okay? Let's go actually on the outside right over here where everything's gonna happen. Okay, so this one's got the awning on the outside. It's also got that floodlight right there just in case you need more lighting at the end or at night. So let's go inside of the van and check this out. So this one's really cool. As you come on in here, you can see just from the outside here, these are screens. So with the push of a button, just like the click, you can actually let the screen on down and you can still enjoy while you're just having the door open and no flies can come in, right? But yeah, take a look at this. You got the swivelable chairs, obviously, but you also have two other seats in here just in case you wanted to bring some people along with you, but that's super, super awesome. You also got a place right here on the bottom for if you wanted to place more shoes or any other secret items in there, you can just, it can be a cool little party trick of your van. Really awesome. You got this step here as well. And on the top, you got a little bit more storage as well. So currently there's stuff up there, obviously, but it won't be there when you get it. So anyways, but yeah, check that out. Check out the front captain chairs. They are both swivelable, like I said before, which is awesome. You also got chances for more storage right up here. And you even have this swivelable TV. So if you wanted to enjoy it while you're parked and hanging out, you can just flip it on outside here and switch it around however you'd like to. You can either face it in the front or you can even face it in the back and you can watch it while you're in the bed there too. So that's really cool. As we come into the kitchen here, so the Class B vans are going to be a little bit smaller, more compact, right? It's just made to go ahead and travel all across the country, so they got to make it as compact as possible just so you can enjoy your stay. You also got more storage here on the top, and they also have really, really nice countertops right here, guys. This is solid surface countertops, so it's not the rinky-dink ones. It's actual real quality, actually pretty heavy. And you see right there, you also got the extension. So if you wanted to prep some more food right here, you totally can. And you also have the removable countertop as well. So really, really nice and awesome, compact. You also got the 2-burner stove cooktop here. And you also have your microwave on this side. Nice size microwave. Then you also have the fridge as well as the freezer on the bottom. You even have a pantry right here, which usually others don't have. So, and it does have adjustable shelving as well, so you can do and use that to your liking. Now we're at the back of the vehicle here, so the doors are open. Just to show more features that you got more storage space up here. So when you're traveling across the country, you got to make sure you have some stuff, right, and space for storage. You can see that the bed actually folds up here and it's locked in place by this seat belt here. So you can actually bring your bike with you if you wanted, or any other kayaks or things that you can fit in this space right here. Okay. See, you even got more storage right here. I'll close this one just so you can see on the inside. More storage on the bottom. And right here too, you even have a little drawer as well. And then you also have these pouches too, which are really nice. If you have extra tools or any other things like that, that's really, really cool. And even a drawer right here as well. So it's really, really awesome. This one is a wet bath, so if you wanted to actually come in here, you can take a look at it. The wet bath just simply means that you're going to shower where you also go to the bathroom. So really nice, compact, awesome little van we got here. You also got a place for storage right here too, just in case you wanted it. Another thing with the vans is that with the back windows usually open and visible to see through, they have these covers here. So at night, when you don't want anyone to peek at what you're doing at night, you could totally just put these little covers right on there. And if you wanted to, you can also just open them if you want. So really, really nice and easy. And if you just don't want this here in general, you can actually take this off. Really nice and nifty. It's really manipulative in the sense of you can make your space what you want it. Yeah, so this one's a really, really nice van, guys. You also got a couple things on the very back here. You also got the ladder, so you can go ahead and check on the roof as well. And you also have this bike rack, which is really awesome and able to just, like I said, it's really compact. If you want to take some things with you, you totally can. The Class B vans are really awesome. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever or you found this video informative for you, please like and subscribe to this video. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. I would love to answer any of your questions about the B vans or any other things that we have on the lot, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of the day. Happy camping.